Hey teacher friends, it's Katie, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about Smart Chips. Smart Chips is a solution that Google has for the Google Docs where you can import content from outside apps. So Google Contacts or Google Drive or even your Google Maps, ways that you can kind of pull in information. Let me show you a couple of my favorite. Of course, you can always go to the Insert drop-down menu, go to Smart Chips, and access them here. You may see more in my drop-down menu than you have. These are the ones that are available if you have Google Workspace for Education, Teaching and Learning License, or Education Plus license. I'll do my very best to show you which ones everyone has access to and which ones are the paid for features. So I'm going to use Smart Chips by using the @Insert menu. So I can come up here and do @ and let's start with the date. I can just type date and it pulls up a calendar so that I can access the calendar at a date. I can even add a specific time. And then I have that instant access right here within my Google Doc. I'll be honest though, my favorite one is just to type the date and it will automatically add that to your content. You could also just do today or yesterday or even tomorrow. So some fun and quick ways that you can add a date really quickly to your Google Docs. Another type of insert that you can add is a person. Let's say you wanted to add a person's name that's going to have access to their email. It's a quick link to chat with them, to open a Google Meet with them. So let's say I wanted to add this account and their name or their email account would pop up so that I easily have that contact card so that I can reach out to them, maybe schedule a time to meet in this way. Another option would be to add a file. So as a teacher, I'm building a lesson plan. I want to attach my presentation. So I'm just going to go ahead and start typing the file name. So World War II. I guess you have to remember the name of the file, which makes it kind of difficult. But look at how this impacts with the Smart Chip. When you add a Google file, so Google Doc, Google Slides, Google Sheet, and not a Microsoft file or PDF, you get this little option here that says Open Preview. And what's really cool is that you can open that presentation or that document or that spreadsheet right from within Google Docs so that you don't have to have multiple tabs. And you can still follow along and see the presentation while you work. Of course, you can click to open it in a new tab to have a more interactive experience, but for a quick preview to follow along, that's a really cool option. Some of the other features that you do have to have Teaching and Learning License or Education Plus. A fun one is a timer. You can add a timer to your document. So let's say you have an outline for how long you think everything should take. You can go ahead and start a timer. We'll set this one for actually just a few seconds. So when I set the timer, you can see the countdown at the bottom. This is not going to be a very loud or very dramatic timer when the timer goes off. It's just a banner at the bottom that will appear, but anybody who's on that document should be able to see the timer goes off. This is a great way to help students pace themselves, or if you're in a meeting and you want to say we will be done with this topic after a certain number of minutes, you could use this timer within your meeting notes to keep everybody on track. And see, timer's up. You can also do a stopwatch. So you have the countdown as well as that count up option. So that's really interesting for those that have those premium features. Another one of my favorite premium chips would be the voting chip. So it has these presets of the thumbs up or the heart. You can create your own custom chip by using any of the emojis. So this could be a way to do a social emotional wellness check. How are you feeling about this activity? How are you feeling about your learning? Let's vote. Do you want to complete this at home? Do you want to complete this at school? So just different ways that you can kind of be creative with your Google Docs and your Smart Chips. There are lots more options with Smart Chips and ways you can use them. If you have more questions, you can always go to techwithkatie.com or subscribe to this channel to learn more.